Here goes Danny. Danny Suarez. Tomater. Okay, I got Ham. We're gonna tow him back to the shop. We're gonna tow Ham back. Ham is getting gas.
Me gas.
You got gas?
Yeah.
Well, I think Snot Rod needs some more gas too. I do need some gas. A boat just came and it dropped off Tokyo Mater and Tokyo Lightning Queen. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Cat.
Whoa, look at all of these cool cars. Look, we got Flo's V8 Café. Ooh, let's give them a shot of all of the cars real quick. Look at the boat back there. It has Mater, Tokyo, and Lightning McQueen. Jackson Storm's truck. We got Kabuto back there, and Ido Sand, Jackson Storms, some next gen racers. We got the fabulous Lightning McQueen and Doc Hudson. Ham, look at Ham over there. Who's this, Lorenzo?
Teddy.
Sally. And who's this right here?
Mom.
And who's this?
Wow.
That's Flo, that's right. What do we have over here, Lorenzo?
This cat.
Whoa, it looks like it's the Florida 500. We got all of the Cave Lightning McQueens up top. We got Sarge, we got Tomater, Ramon, RV, Dr. Damage. We got these little spiky guys down here watching us as well. Look, we got a little Jackson Storm and a little Danny Suarez. What we can do, Lorenzo, look at this. This turns. This is a drawer, so it looks like when the cars come down here, this is what's gonna happen. Oh, they're gonna go right into the drawer and we could get them. So let's show the kids what happens. When the car launches off of this, it goes up this ramp and hits into this. When this thing moves, they all go.
No.
Oh, so what happens if you put that out? Whoa. That's a lot of cars right there.
What's that?
Yeah, it's a lot of cars. Whoa!
What's that? RV!
Oh, look. RV. And the ambulance. All right here. Oh, you just went around the track. That was cool. Here, try Jackson Storm. Nice.
Mobile touch.
You gonna do Jackson Storm again? Oh! How did that happen? Here, try Danny Suarez.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Uh-oh!
My seat.
Yeah, you landed on your seat.
Owl.
We got all 4 of the Cave Lightning McQueens. Okay, let's see what Jackson Storm can do here. 1, you go next, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I went over. I went over the track. Now I hit it too hard. So the first time, Lorenzo, I hit it so soft it didn't go up. And then the second time I hit it so hard it went all the way over. Your turn, you try. Wow, good job. Did he get stuck?
Yeah?
Oh, look at him in there. How are we gonna get him out?
TikTok.
What are we gonna do? Oh, we're gonna get the tow truck Mater. Okay, let's try to lift this up for him and see if he can get back there. Looks like you tapped him. Can you go from this way?
Yes.
Can you go from the back? Easier from that way?
There. There.
Oh, let's see. Oh, you got him. Nice. Look at that. That's Flo's V8 Cafe.
Yeah.
Where's Flo? Oh, there's Flo. Oh, where's Mater? There's Mater. Where's Sally? Sally! Where's Ham? Nice. What about Fillmore? You know where Fillmore is?
Yeah.
You see him?
Thomas.
There he is. That guy?
The duck.
Where did he go? He got stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tic-tac.
I see him in there. You gotta get the tow truck.
Oh no.
Oh, he's out now. Okay, let's put some Cave Lightning McQueens up here. I'm gonna put some Cave Lightning McQueens up here.
Missile.
You're gonna do it too? Oh, should we have this spiky guy go this time too? I'll put the spiky guy up there.
Two.
Putting this guy right here.
Cassette.
Let's see. Oh, try Jackson. Try Danny Suarez. Oh, he went over.
Yeah.
He went way over. Tomater? Tomater! Wow, Tomater did it. Tomater!
Dada.
Look at that, Tomater did it. He knocked all of these cars down. Should we put Sarge and Ramon up here?
Yeah.
Let's put Sarge. Let's put Ramon. Who else should we put? Danny Suarez?
Yes.
Okay, so we got Lightning McQueen, Sarge, Ramon, and Danny Suarez up there now. And we got to use the Tomaters and everybody to try to get them down. Oh, Mater did not do it. Here, try one of these guys. Oh, Mater was close. Oh. Oh, gotta put him on his wheels. Oh, he went under there. Okay. Ooh. Here, try Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm! Ooh, one of them got stuck. There he goes. Jackson Storm! Nice, Jackson Storm did it. Oh, and he would have did it again. You have Flo's?
Yeah.
Are you at Flo's Cafe? Look, I'm Jackson Storm. Look at the whole city. Look at the whole city. Look, you got the boat in the distance. I see Kabuto back there. Oh, Jackson Storm didn't make it. Ooh, Cave Lightning McQueen. He made it up there, but he did not hit the he didn't hit the piston cup, so it didn't go down. I'll put him up here so you can watch. Oh, Jackson Storm. He had a big wreck right there. Look at that.
A cut.
Yeah, look at all those cars over there that we gotta knock down. Is Jackson Storm gonna be the one? Oh, Jackson Storm doesn't do it. Let's try Danny Suarez again. Here goes Danny. Danny Suarez, he gets it. Here goes Danny. Danny Suarez. Good job, Danny Suarez. You like the park, right, Jackson Storm?
Yeah.
Nice. And Danny Suarez, look at Danny Suarez.
The picture.
Yeah, I like the park. The park is cool. You like the park too?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think we all can agree the park is a pretty cool place, right?
Couldn't cut tag. Miss Sally.
You're Sally?
Yeah.
I'm Lightning McQueen. You want to cruise?
Yeah.
Want to go for a drive? Let's just go for a drive, Sally. Come on. Whoa, Sally, you're driving very fast, Sally. Sally, slow down. Sally, come back here. Look at this. I want to show you something, Sally. What is this on the floor? What is this right here, Sally? Sally, what is this? What is it? Is that a leaf?
Yeah.
Where does it come from?
Up.
It comes from up there?
Up T.
Up on a tree?
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, Sally, let's go back to Radiator Springs. I gotta get some gas in my car. Let's go.
We just shoot.
Oh, looks like Sarge is in the middle of the gas. He's in the way of the gas. Let's move Sarge out of the way.
Let's go.
Yep, here's the gas. I'm gonna get gas in my car. Go. Put the gas in.
So this?
Yeah, Sally needs some gas. Boom, right in the side. Nice. We were over there at the raceway, and now we're over here and we're in Radiator Springs. It's a happy place.
Happy da.
Yeah, it's happy there. Hey, Sally, where did Lightning McQueen go?
Me, cold.
You're cool?
Yeah.
I know that. You're my best friend.
Me big pal.
You are my baby pal. You're my best friend, Lightning McQueen.
Dada.
Lightning, who's this? Ham? Hey, Ham. What's up with you, man? You need a tow? I could give you a tow if you'd like. Okay, I got Ham. We're gonna tow him back to the shop. I'm gonna tow Ham back. Ham is getting gas. Hey, Mater. Is Ham full of gas? Is he all good to go now?
Yeah.
He is?
Hmm?
Ham, are you okay? You got gas now?
No more gas.
Okay, no more gas needed. All right, cool. Well, Ham, it was good meeting you, man. High five.
Bye.
Bye. Whoa, hey. You gotta slow down. You can't drive like that through this town.
Me gas.
You need gas?
Yeah.
Well, then you better go get some gas and you gotta slow down. You can't drive like that. You gotta go slow on the road. You're driving too fast, DJ. Too fast.
Me sao?
You need to drive slow, that's right.
Me gas.
You get gas and then you drive slow, okay? You don't drive fast through our town.
No fast.
No fast.
Me gas. Me gas. Me gas.
You got gas?
Yeah.
Well, I think Snot Rod needs some more gas too. I do need some gas.
Me the too.
Hey, one person at a time, DJ. I thought you just got gas.
Me the too.
You need more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait.
Me gas.
Okay, I'm gonna get gas now. Okay, and after he goes, I'm gonna get some gas, okay? Wingo, you need some gas too? Yeah, I need some gas.
Me the too.
You need some gas?
Yeah.
Sally. Hey, Sally.
Me
How you
the
doing?
too. Me gas.
Okay, I got all my gas. I'm gonna get gas now. Wingo's up next.
Me too.
Okay, I got gas. Now, Wingo's gotta get gas. Wingo
Me
got
the
gas.
too. Me the too.
Yep, you get gas too. Ooh, look, a boat just came. A boat just came and it dropped off Tokyo Mater and Tokyo Lightning McQueen. They must have came from the other side of the world.
Yeah.
They must have came from far away in Tokyo. Let's see. Wow. Look at those cool cars. Look at this cool boat.
Come on.
Whoa.
My
Look,
wheels.
it's got some wheels so you can roll it on the ground, but this boat floats in the water.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. And this back goes down so you can put the cars back on. Nice. Look at that. Lightning McQueen and Tow Mater.
Let me get numbers.
If you keep talking to yourself, people are gonna start to think you're crazy.
Let me get numbers.
If you keep talking to yourself, people are gonna think you're crazy. Watch out. I'm coming through, okay? Just be careful, okay? I'm old.
Me come?
You can come wherever I'm going. What? Hey, Sweeney. Hey, Ham.